This time on the Robbie and Ned Show. Wahlburgers it is, Robbie. All right, here we go. Oh, I'm looking forward to the air conditioning in here. Oh yeah. Oh, it's just, oh yes, it is cool. Oh yeah, it's nice to get out of the sun. All right. So we just order over there and then go sit? We say, okay, perfect. Yeah, so we'll have a seat, please. Okay, so out of the burgers, Robbie, there's the Our Burger. It's got beef, government cheese, lettuce, tomato, onions, pickles, and Paul's signature wall sauce. I think we should get that. And then there's the barbecue bacon, beef burger, white cheddar, bacon, fresh jalapenos, barbecue sauce, and avocado spread. I think we should get that one. And then there's the Fiesta. 2 beef burger patties dusted with house-made Southwestern spice rub, pepper, jack cheese, fresh jalapenos, lettuce, house-made smoked pepper, salsa, chipotle, mayo, and pickles. What do you think of that? Okay, I think those are 3 burgers. The other one I would think of is 2 beef burger patties, Swiss cheese, bacon, sauteed mushrooms, and tomato jam, which is the original from Dorchester. I guess that means Dorchester. But I don't think we'll try that one, because you wouldn't want mushrooms on it and stuff.
I wouldn't care.
Is that ours, Robbie? Oh, Robbie.
We've got Fiesta, OFD. This is the barbecue bacon.
Barbecue bacon,
And
yeah.
the Our Burger.
So this is the Our Burger. And this one's what?
Anything else? That's the Fiesta.
That's the Fiat. This is the hot one. So that's going to be last. And then this one's what?
The OFD, so that's going to be the mushroom Swiss.
Okay, so that's going to be the sort. So this, and this one's
The
the.
barbecue bacon. Yep.
Okay, so this is going to be last. Great. All right, thank you. So Roddy, I think this is the order to eat it in, because this is hot. This one's barbecue, and this one's very mild because it's got mushrooms. We're not going to be able to get the flavor right. And this is the normal burger. All right, bud. The first is the original one.
Yep.
Oh, nice. Let's do that cross section. That's beautiful. Beautiful colors. How's that, bud? Oh, I love it. It's got onions in it too.
Yep.
And it's good? That's quite good. I think I like it better than Beast Burgers.
Yeah.
We like it better than Beast Burgers.
Awesome.
Do you agree?
No.
Oh, the bun's perfect. All right, Robbie, that was delicious. Next, what do we have?
It's like mushroom.
All right. Get it.
Bacon?
Yeah. Show us what that bad boy looks like. Oh, yeah.
Definitely
It's
bacon.
2 patties, bacon,
Yep.
and mushroom.
Bingo.
It's like, yeah. There's like Swiss cheese, and yeah, there's some mushroom there. Oh, the mushrooms are enormous. They're not tiny. Yeah.
They are huge.
Yeah? The bacon doesn't take away from the mushroom. Right, Robbie?
Yep. Oh yeah.
That's delicious. The cheese is perfect with the mushroom.
No.
You don't like it that much?
No. Not really. That's not bad.
All right, next we got the barbecue.
Oh yeah. That was sweet.
Look at that cross section.
Oh yeah. Is
Is
that
it 2 patties again or 1? 1 patty, okay. Bacon and then the barbecue sauce. Oh, avocado.
Oh, that's what it is. Yeah, that's what it is. Then right there.
And
Not
yeah,
bad.
incredible. Wow. I never had avocado on barbecue. The barbecue is delicious.
Yeah.
Mmm. That's very good. What a surprise. It's a very good mix. All right, Robbie. This is it. It's a hot one. So go ahead and try this one now. What can you tell me about that one? I see the jalapenos. Oh boy. I see them jalapenos, Robbie. I might not be able to do this. Double patty, pickles, jalapenos. Go for it, bud. Too hot? Flavorful? Would you order it again?
No
Good?
heat. No heat.
No heat? Really? A beautiful looking burger there. Oh, Robbie, there's mayonnaise in it.
Yeah, no. Thank you. Every time.
Robbie,
Yep.
burger.
I know.
I like the fact there's no bacon in this one. Not too much bacon. It's okay. There really isn't heat. It's a good burger.
Oh, I got it now.
You got heat?
You gotta get to the center. It's not that spicy though. Get it yet?
No. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, good. Good. So what'd you get, bud?
Probably milkshake, but I'm mixing it with whipped cream. Well, it came with it. It looked better,
my
but
God,
I'm just
really?
cleaning it up right now. Yep.
So Robbie, what's the milkshake like?
What?
What's it like?
Oh, it's good.
It's better than,
Strawberry.
it tastes better than usual. Like I
Yeah.
taste milk in it.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. So Robbie, what'd you think of Wahlburgers?
Pretty good.
Yeah, would you do it again?
Yeah.
The only one I didn't like is the one with the mushrooms and
Yeah,
bacon.
yeah, that was not
I found that the bacon just took away from the burger altogether.
First I just didn't like the mushrooms.
Yeah, I mean the mushrooms and
Mushrooms are too big.
the Swiss would have been just good on their own.
If you like this video, why don't you check out our Mukbang playlist? That's it for now for the Robbie and Dad Show.
He's Robbie.
He's Dad.